Divine intervention, is that what you seek? To untie apprehensions that were placed on that Greek? You are playing with thunder, for a man full of shame, but if he's worth the risk of going under, why not make it a game? Convince each of them that he ought to be released, and I'll release him.
Who's that?
Apollo! Hephaestus! Aphrodite! Ares! Hera! Or me? What do you say?
Right.
Very well. All right.
Bring it.
This life is amazing. Have you forgotten the lessons I see in your face? Now we know the Trojans can try. Have you forgotten all the romance? This is not you. Now it's something to show. Your families wonder where you've been. Have you forgotten? You're still alive. What I say, you'll see them again. Only the charge. I don't end up with my scars. Men are rebels. Let all things through the gates and take the whole city and more. To see what's ready. I was attacking all the late guys and fake guys and extras. Told them to protect it. You're gonna wait to while they kill me. Once I'm back here, just so far. Straight out. You lose that hell on my life. Mine get away with the day now. Ask yourself these eyes. What you need for, what you try for, what you wish for, what you fight for. What you try for, what you wish for, what you
What? Nothing. The noise will come this week and now I have to restart. Restart the one.
sounds like a plan. God is a band. Rest is a friend. I'm still I could realize my Please don't make me do this. Don't make me do this.
The blood on your hands is something you won't lose. All you can choose is me.